Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy here, Doctor of Physical Therapy for Results Physiotherapy. I am the lead physical therapist at Mobile. I'm in a new place this morning. Just wanted to come to you a little bit about ergonomics. I have a few little setups to kind of demonstrate what's some points, but I'll do a lot of talking also. I don't even have a working computer yet this morning, so everything will be for show. So I'm already adjusted my chair to where I want it. My elbows, my shoulders are relaxed and rested. 90-degree position there. The computer rests right with my wrists at neutral. I'm not doing a lot of this and I'm not doing a lot of this. I can kind of change positions as needed. I am on a laptop, so optimal eye use is not correct there. It's supposed to be more eye level here, so if you do a lot of computer work, hopefully you have a separate monitor and you can get that to eye level there for you. Resting, wrists relaxed, and my feet are flat on the floor without a lot of pressure behind the backs of my legs. The next thing I want to talk about is the sit-stand desk. So if you do a lot of sitting and if you're having some neck problems and shoulder problems or wrist problems, the newest, coolest thing in desk work is a sit-stand desk. We've been using them for a long time because we have these little hospital tray tables that we use that are very convenient. So if my computer is not in a stationary position, we kind of have to be all over the place, and we like to take our computers with us. So I have a sit-stand desk. With this, you want it at a height that is relaxed again, shoulders at 90 degrees. Not a lot of time here. I have a mouse that's easily accessible. If I have charts I need to look at, they need to be right here or right here, not way off. You also want to, if you find yourself straining, looking at the screen a lot, even in the sitting position, definitely get your eyes checked, get glasses, whatever you need to do to correct that, because we need ear over shoulder over hip. And if you're coming out of that, you're putting a lot of strain on the ligaments of the neck there. So I believe that's all I have for you today. Short little video. If you have questions, please ask them. And of course, after you make these changes, if you're still having pain, come see me or see a licensed physical therapist in your area. Thanks. Have a good Monday.